Oh, hell no. We got the slowest guy here.
What's up, guys? I'm out here today with my little brother, and we're going to a bike meetup / midnight cruise. I'm on the H2. My brother's on a Ninja 300. He's right behind me. It's his first bike. He's riding with me because he's got his little learner's permit and he can't ride by himself quite yet. I'm not sure how many bikes are gonna be there. It is the last one this year because, you know, the weather's changing. It's getting cooler out. I guess Dank Willie came to the last one. Brian 636 came to the one before that. So, you know, the ride's got a little bit of traction around my area, and I guess it was, you know, big enough for some YouTubers to show up too. I do have a video where I actually went on the ride. Probably is not going to get as many views as this video just because I wasn't on the H2. I was on my old Gixxer that I have sold since that video, but it was posted in July. But like I said, I got my little brother with me on this Ninja 300 behind me. Thing don't go too fast, and you know, he's a new rider. But there's the little brother. Come in through the back way. Strip clubs up here too. Maybe I'll do a video where I take the H2 to the strip club. What y'all think about that? Now, I'll be honest, usually I'm not that type of guy to just rev bomb a bike meet, but since y'all love it so much, nice, decent little turnout here. Suppose I'll ride through here. My buddy, Rough Rider VP. I think I'll pull over for now. And take a walk around. Check out some of these bikes. I'm gonna walk around, just get some stuff on camera. You can stay right here. Alright, so I thought about rev bombing, but I decided not to just because it's a little quiet here. I don't want to be that dude, it just draws attention. But I'll probably give some revs on the way out. Looks like they got the dirt bike squad over here. ATV over here. Some more dirt bikes. Little quad. Some of them Groms and Z125s. Got the Street Glide. bike.
Oh, hell no. We got the slowest guy here. Ain't that some shit?
Hell yeah. What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How you feeling?
I'm good, bro. Just riding through.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna go on a ride, but just ride through. Stun bikes. What up? Well, let me get away from this music before I get a copyright strike. It's like a classic. Okay, everybody gonna get away from their bikes so we can see them more. It's my brother talking to the guys admiring the H2. I'll let them handle that. But yeah, a little bit of everything here. From off-road bikes to road bikes. Some Gixxers, CBR 250s or 300, I wouldn't know. And now he's gonna address the crowd. Look at this dude getting photos. It's my brother's first season of riding, so he didn't start till the end of the season, so it's all cool to him still. Flacco!
Oh, man.
What up, man? You look at me like you didn't know me at first.
Bro.
Got the jacket on, you ain't see it? Yeah, you was expecting that hoodie on, huh?
What's up? Hey.
Uh-oh. Somebody's playing games. Let's get some revs. Thank you. Get some of that launch control action. Let's get out of here before we get caught in all this mess. I'm gonna pull out to the other side of the road so I can get all these bikes leaving. up right here and watch a couple hundred bikes leave. Alright, so I got my brother recording on his phone, or on my phone actually, and I'm gonna record my GoPro. That way my phone isn't hogging up the real estate of the screen. And here they go. That's the end of it. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of this video. I appreciate y'all for watching. I know y'all really like these bike meets and car meets and stuff like that, especially with the H2. So I'm gonna come out here and try to make videos like that. It is getting to be winter time almost. Snowfall should be coming soon, so not really gonna be too much more bike videos I'm gonna be able to do. But I'll find a substitute for that. Catch y'all later. Alright man, let's dip back to the crib.